everyone! Welcome to Mommy Cat's World. Today we're going to unbox the baby trolley that we bought yesterday. We keep rearranging the room because we want to make the room fit a family of 4. We want to make it a baby-friendly room and at the same time, a toddler-friendly room. Yeah, we have a 5-month-old baby and we also have a 3-year-old toddler who is very active. So, right now, we're going to organize the room. We're going to separate the baby essentials and we want to clean that shelves over there. Ayan, so as you can see, yung background ko, the shelves, it's messy. So, I know the mommies can relate to this. We keep cleaning up, we keep organizing, pero in the morning, makikita mo na makalat, and again, you have to do it all over again. So, after organizing, I will check if I can maximize the space. Kasi, I'm planning to put a long table where I can work. At the same time, nasa tabi ko si Luke, his coloring or tracing letters. So, I know all the working moms at home, you guys can relate to this. Kasi, of course, we need to work at the same time. And we also have to make time to teach them. So now, I'm going to show you the baby trolley that we bought yesterday. So yun, I'm going to unbox. And hopefully, I can assemble it without the help of my husband. I'm not very good at this, pero I will try. So here it is, guys. Ito yung nabili namin na baby trolley online. Sabi naman ni seller, the same quality lang siya nung isang baby trolley, yung may brand name na Localpin. I don't know how they pronounce it. Pero if it's the same quality, magandang quality nito. So let's see, i-unbox ko siya. Okay, so you have to read the manual. So this is the mesh basket. It has a bottom pipe and the pipe handle. Okay, so it has upper pipes, the screws, cover, cover, here it is. The screwdriver and there's a wrench. This is nakakatuwa, complete package. Let's start! So, I'm not sure if I can assemble this alone. I might need my husband's help. Okay guys, I can't do it. So I have to call my husband. Okay guys, so here it is. Tapos na. It has 3 layers. Okay? Ayan, gusto niya maglaro. Gusto niya mag-organize, mag-isa. It has 3 layers and 4 wheels. So, like what I said, it's movable. So, the quality is very good. So, now I'm ready to organize. Luke is trying to help me. done. Already cleaned the shelves. So he's sleepy. So he's so grumpy. It looks clean. And a feedback to this baby trolley, I really love it. It's perfect because it's movable. Saver because it has 3 layers. Okay, so I'm not done organizing. On the second video, you have to watch out because I'm going to show you the long table that I planned to put inside the room para while I'm working, I can teach Luke. Pwede kong isingit yung pagtuturo and I can maximize my time and I can manage my time working while teaching my toddler.